Let me know if this one speaks to you like it did to me today. Talked about how there are two boats out on the water when a strong wind rolls in, and one boat has no directions. Its sails are loose. So the wind pushes it wherever it wants. It goes sideways, backwards, it circles. And the harder the wind blows, the more out of control that it feels. The other boat faces the same wind, just responds differently. The captain doesn't fight the wind, he just adjusts the sails and uses the force of what could have knocked him off course to move forward, but to move forward with intention. Same wind, same pressure, same conditions, guys. Very different outcomes. What that says to me is you can't control what hits you, but you can control how you respond. So today, set your sails, keep on trucking, and have a blessed day.